hello. It's Yay, aka MODISHYE, and today I'm going to tell you what items you need to pack to take to Nigerian boarding school. I created an extensive but non-exhaustive list which includes items that you probably didn't think you would need, such as a scrubbing brush and at least 2 buckets. If you would like to access this link and download the free PDF to know what to bring to boarding school, you would need to subscribe to my newsletter. I will provide the link down below in the description box. Once you subscribe, the first email you will receive from me is the link to download the PDF. And for those that don't know, on my blog I discuss lifestyle, educational, financial, and cultural topics that I believe the only child can benefit from. So to recap this video, if you would like to know what items to pack to Nigerian boarding school, then subscribe to my newsletter. And while you're down there hitting that link, please make sure to like and subscribe down below to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you later.